Personally, I'd have to say it started when I was 5. I got in trouble for taking my brother's new Walkman apart. I tried to hide the evidence, and my parents, of course, found it because I was only 5, obviously. But that's basically where my interest in electronics and audio started. After that, my parents kind of encouraged me. They found old electronics for me to take apart and look at, check out, and it just kind of encouraged my interest in that. And when it came time that I wanted to actually start repairing and building some of this stuff, my dad also helped encourage me. He had a wood shop and a metal shop, and he encouraged me to do what I wanted to do. I got more into the audio side and into the speakers side of the electronics. It's just kind of where I gravitated to. Our speakers start with raw material. We build the enclosures ourselves out of Baltic birch. We do the cutting and the routering and assembling the boxes and then veneering. We use a variety of exotic hardwoods. Basically any finish that somebody wants, we can do. The advantage of building our own drivers in-house is not only quality control. Every driver is built by hand. I know every piece of it, but also knowing how it's going to perform in real-world situations. It helps me to determine with feedback from the customers how best to tune the subwoofer that they have or the speaker that they have, because I know what it's capable of, having such an intimate knowledge of its design and how it functions. Funk Audio products stand out is the fact that we maximize in every possible aspect. We keep the build quality as high as possible. We put a lot of effort into our finishing. The performance is a huge aspect, and just everything rolled in is what really makes our products stand out. The reason that we focus a lot of energy on handcrafting as much as we possibly can of each of our products is that we have the control over it. We can make it the way we want it to be, and I can be satisfied that I've made it the best that it can be.